Hello, dear star seeds, light workers, and ancient souls.
We, the Andromeda Council of Light, are delighted to interact with you at this critical point in your spiritual path. As the universe dances in its everlasting rhythm, we find ourselves on the verge of a transformational spiritual journey. The call for personal healing and grounding resonates across the ether, encouraging us to connect with the divine forces that surround our planet. This is a time of tremendous alignment, when we can go deep within ourselves and welcome the transforming light that is guiding us through these exceptional times. Healers play an unprecedentedly important role. Mediums, the loving beacons among us, are invited to fully embody their divine roles as healers and guides. They are tasked with the holy mission of repairing the fractured energies within and around us. Their compassion acts as a salve, healing the wounds of separation and guiding souls to wholeness and peace. Amidst this cosmic symphony, new rays of light break through the veil of our reality, presenting possibilities for contemplation and balance. These cosmic rays, infused with holy vibrations, inspire us to align our inner worlds. They are the heralds of a new day, illuminating the path to our highest selves and displaying the beautiful tapestry of our lives. These beams are not just light, but cosmic keys that open doors to our most profound truths and transformations. They invite us to reconcile the dualities within the feminine and masculine forces that dance within our souls. This balance is crucial because it restores our internal equilibrium and aligns us with the universal flow. By embracing these cosmic rays, we are summoned to a higher level of consciousness, one in which introspection becomes a sacred act. This introspection allows us to uncover the harmony within, which resonates with the universe's very heartbeat. As we embark on this revolutionary chapter, let us heed the call of the cosmos, embrace our responsibilities as healers and guides, and welcome the new cosmic rays with open hearts. These heavenly energies are here to illuminate our path, restore equilibrium, and raise our collective consciousness to new heights. In their light, we discover our actual selves and our position in the vast fabric of creation. In this sacred time, the delicate interplay of feminine and masculine energy is of fundamental importance. When these energies are harmonized, they form a symphony of balance inside the collective mind. The feminine, with her nurturing, intuitive, and receptive nature, and the masculine, with its action, reasoning, and protecting energy, must work together like threads in a cosmic tapestry. This balance is not simply an ideal, but a requirement, a return to the natural state of harmony that our souls seek. As we synchronize these forces within ourselves and our communities, we establish the groundwork for a world founded on harmony and unity. The universe is teeming with activity, and recent solar flares act as galactic catalysts, sparking dramatic changes within humans. These amazing bursts of solar energy permeate our atmosphere, interacting with our light bodies through their colorful frequencies. They function as purifiers, burning away the residues of lesser vibrations and instilling us with higher consciousness. This solar activity strengthens our connection to our light bodies, the ethereal counterparts that contain the essence of our existence. As we become more aware of these solar pulses, our energies are rebalanced, our vibrations rise, and our spiritual paths become clear. Among the multitude of cosmic rays that bathe our globe, the emerald ray stands out as a symbol of the divine feminine. This ray, a radiant emanation from the Andromedan realms, contains the essence of caring, compassion, and endless love. It encourages us to incorporate these beautiful feminine aspects into our lives, guiding us towards a more balanced existence. The green beam is more than simply light. It is a call to embrace the feminine's delicate power to heal, harmonize, create, and sustain. When we give ourselves to this emerald light, we are wrapped in its healing embrace, which contains the power and grace we need to travel our spiritual paths. To properly prosper in this transformational moment, we must embrace both our feminine and masculine energies. This necessitates deep self-reflection and a brave embrace of all facets of our being. The way to balance begins within, when we look deep into our souls and recognize the presence of both energies. It takes bravery to tackle imbalances and nourish the neglected components. By embracing both the feminine and masculine, we gain wholeness, a union of forces that propels us to our full potential. This integration is the key to our spiritual progress, a trip that takes us back to the heart of who we truly are, where love and light reign supreme. In these revolutionary times, let us embrace energy balance, tune in to solar catalysts, integrate the divine feminine via the emerald ray, and courageously connect the feminine and masculine within ourselves. This journey is more than simply personal. It is a collective ascension that will lead us to a future of harmony, love, and enlightenment. In the grand symphony of existence, there is a growing desire to reclaim and honor the long-suppressed feminine energy. This energy, with its deep wells of intuition, compassion, and nurturing love, is critical to the healing and balance of our world. As we accept and honor the feminine, we also recognize the male in its most loving form. When the masculine is linked with the heart, it serves as a protector, guide, and driving force that complements and supports the feminine. Together, they perform a harmonious dance of creation and balance a divine union that symbolizes our actual nature. The journey to spiritual awakening is fraught with difficulties, each one a test of our fortitude and dedication to the light. Overcoming these challenges is essential not just for our own development, but also for bringing more light into our lives and the world around us. Each struggle we meet and overcome is a step towards our transformation, demonstrating our inner power and divine potential. By embracing these hardships, we purify our spirits, shedding layers of fear and doubt, and emerging as radiant beings of light and love. Every challenge on our road is a hidden benefit, a catalyst for profound inner transformation. Our spiritual progress is not a solitary trip, but rather a group ascension to higher consciousness. Our connection with one another creates a tremendous web of light, a global community of souls striving for spiritual advancement. This communal link is the cornerstone of our strength, allowing us to support and encourage one another. When we come together in oneness, our combined energies enhance the vibrations of love and healing, causing waves of good transformation to sweep over the universe. Recognizing the significance of this link, we celebrate our common journey and the roles we all play in the magnificent fabric of life. Each of us possesses a silent yet powerful guide, our intuition. This inner voice, a direct link to our higher selves, whispers the truths that connect us to our divine mission. Trusting our intuition is critical for navigating the intricacies of life, especially when external uncertainties attempt to sway us. This intuitive direction allows us to make decisions that are aligned with our soul's journey, leading us to growth, fulfillment, and spiritual peace. By developing a strong connection with our intuition, we improve our ability to perceive subtle messages from the universe, ensuring that our actions always align with our highest good. As we journey through these magical realms of existence, let us reclaim the feminine, honor the masculine, overcome our challenges, accept our communal connections, and believe in the power of our intuition. Together, we are creating a new reality built on love, balance, and divine purpose. The hallowed calm of meditation and reflection has the key to our deepest realities. By practicing meditation on a regular basis, we may quiet the mind's constant chatter and tune into the whispers of our intuition. This practice deepens our inner connection, allowing us to go through life with clarity and purpose. Reflection, on the other hand, gives us the opportunity to review our experiences, integrate our knowledge, and align our actions with our higher selves. Meditation and contemplation are the two pillars of spiritual progress, anchoring us in our inner wisdom and directing us down our divine path. Our interactions have a significant impact on the alchemy of spiritual progress. Compassion, forgiveness, and unconditional love are the foundations of these transforming relationships. By embodying compassion, we open our hearts to others' hardships and joys, allowing for healing and understanding. Forgiveness frees us from the bonds of previous grievances, allowing us to go ahead with a lighter heart. Unconditional love, the truest expression of our divine nature, connects us in a web of light and togetherness. Because of these characteristics, our relationships become havens of growth, support, and profound transformation. Each soul has a distinct divine purpose, a sacred mission sewn into the fabric of their existence. Discovering and expressing this purpose is a creative and exploratory adventure. We are called to share our gifts, whether via service, creativity, teaching, or other means. This journey of purpose is not a destination, but rather an ever-changing road, with each step revealing new aspects of our potential. As we embrace our destiny, we align with a larger cosmic plan, which contributes to the collective awakening and elevation of awareness on Earth. The current moment represents a gateway to significant transformation. We have the ability to make substantial changes to our lives right now. By cultivating mindfulness and thankfulness, we may stay present and fully appreciate the richness of each moment. Mindfulness directs our attention to the present moment, allowing us to act with intention and clarity. Gratitude opens our hearts to the wealth of life, enhancing the positive energy that circulates within us. In this sacred realm of the now, we become active co-creators of our reality, influencing our destiny with the love and light that comes from within. By embracing meditation, reflection, compassionate relationships, divine purpose, and the power of the present moment, we can create a life rich in spiritual fulfillment and profound transformation. Let us walk this journey together, always aware of the divine light within and the limitless possibilities that await us. Let us celebrate our shared journey of healing, balance, and divine purpose here at this holy gathering of souls. Each of us has a distinct light, a holy spark that adds to the overall illumination of our world. As we continue on this path, realize that we are never alone. We are members of a huge and loving cosmic family, linked by our shared desire for higher consciousness and spiritual progress. Let us move on with courage and elegance, hearts full of love, and brains tuned in to the divine. Together, we can create a world of harmony, balance, and enlightenment. May the light of the cosmos guide us, the divine love sustain us, and the wisdom of our souls propel us onward on our sacred journey. Andromeda Council of Light, we stand with you, purposefully aligned and resplendent in our collective light.